How to remove your SoundCloud account on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove your SoundCloud account on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and now click the storylines in the top corner and go down, click settings and not settings, sorry, click on your profile and then click edit profile and now just click edit here and go to your SoundCloud account and you will find remove here. Just click on it and as you see SoundCloud has been removed and then just click save and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget to subscribe and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.